And this is our workshop, Computer Vision and Text Analysis for Parametric Design. This is our technologies for this workshop. First one is the computer vision with sentiment analysis, object detection, and another ones. In this way, we can see an example that we can convert an image into new parameters. These components are unique into Grasshopper and Rhino. You can use these components to build some different definitions that can analyze how the people feels that space. In this way, we can see different sentiments. Maybe the first one is sad, maybe another map is related with happy sentiment. Another very important thing that we can see is that we can use in different ways. Another one is text analysis. Text analysis can work with another unique component. In this way, we can extract information from a tweet. In this example, a tweet is used to extract information and analyze with this component to have sentiment analysis related with this text. Positive, negative, neutral. Another very important that we are going to see is the forecasting engines with scripts, with neural networks, of course, with new components. Another very important thing is the IoT with new devices and, of course, new components to extract information from remote devices. This is the way to have a forecasting engines. This is the learning outcomes